even though it's been about 3 months. Y'all gotta rep the logo coming out for the Camaro. Blood Hawk, exclusive Blood Hawk coming out. This is Blood Hawk, the Camaro. This Blood Hawk, but this Thor though, but that Blood Hawk. Show y'all the sticker. Blood Hawk. Gonna be putting in this bottom grill to match the top. Gonna have to remove the whole entire bumper joint. You got a screw right there. Right there, you got screws all along it. You gotta get under the bottom. Get them out. That out. That one. That one. They're on the same side. You gotta remove the centipede that lined up right up in there. Centipede right there. Now you gotta pick these out individually, one by one, and they are a pain in the ass. Keep it, go. Okay, you gonna hold? I'll tell me these things. It won't be a little challenge. So after about a good hour of fighting that grill, this is what it's gonna look like in the end. And this is both of them off the car. Push the lower grill off the car. It's the one we're gonna be putting in. That grill right there. Just like that, you snap them in right there. And now it's in the grill. Time to put back on the car, punch it. Wire it up. I wire mine up to the park light. You can wire it up however you want to wire it up to. But I like the park light specifically because it's just gonna stay on. It ain't gonna flash when you hit your signal. You just connect your connectors. Ain't gonna flash when you hit your signal lights and all that. It's just gonna stay on. That one, yeah, that one connected. Now we just put the bumper back on the car. All right, guys, let's see how it's gonna look. That is beautiful. Ignore my park light. I got it in the house. I just ain't put it in yet. I should have put it in while I was doing it. That looks so freaking good. That looks nasty. We're gonna have more videos coming. It's just been a long life. That's why I ain't been uploading. But I'm gonna get there sooner or later. Got more stuff coming. Let me know what y'all think of the grill. I'm gonna light it up for you again. It's gorgeous.